Hello traders. Today we are going to be looking at the Gann Signal Indicator for MT4 and MT5. This tool converts Gann style price and time analysis into clear on-chart trade signals so you can see potential turning points without manually drawing every Gann angle and level. At this point, I'm going to load the indicator on the charts so you can see how it looks in real time. Remember to allow DLL imports. Alright, there we have it. The Gann signal indicator plus visual markers such as arrows or symbols directly on the price charts at levels where its Gann-based rules detect a possible bullish or bearish setup. These markers tend to appear around Gann angles, swings, or time/price intersections that the internal logic treats as potential pivot zones. When multiple conditions align, the chart shows a clear signal in the relevant direction, giving you a visual prompt to review that area for a trade idea rather than scanning raw candles alone. As for the indicator settings, let's see what we have at the inputs. Alright, internally, the indicator uses Gann concepts such as swings, angles, and proportional moves, then wraps them into objective coded rules that generate the signals. You typically can adjust parameters tied to sensitivity, the minimum swing size, and how strict the signal filters are, which controls how often the indicator marks candles. Color and symbol options let you distinguish bullish from bearish Gann signals at a glance across MT4 and MT5. As for who is for, the Gann signal indicator is suited to traders who like the idea of Gann analysis but prefer to work with straightforward on-chart prompts instead of manually maintaining complex geometry. Signals are still derived from historical price and do not guarantee reversals or continuations, and they can be frequent or conflicting in choppy markets. So they should always be combined with your own chart reading, confirmation tools, and strict risk management rules, not used as a standalone system. The download link is in the description below. You can read more about the Gann Signal Indicator MT4 and MT5 and its usage, including example setups and configuration tips at the Forex Geek. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss future educational videos.